Hi everyone, I'm Lawrence Ross, the artist and founder of String of the Art. At stringoftheart.com, we sell incredible adult arts and craft kits. Some of those kits are punch needle kits, and in this video, I'll be teaching you how to trace your pattern template onto the monk's cloth of your punch needle kit. Tracing your pattern template onto the monk's cloth is an easy process. Included in your punch needle kit are your marker, your monk's cloth, and your pattern template. Simply tape your pattern template onto your monk's cloth. Then place your monk's cloth up against a window or a light box. Tape your monk's cloth onto that light source. Here, we'll be applying it to a window. Tracing your pattern template is very straightforward. Using your marker, outline the pattern template onto the monk's cloth.